Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to create a table in MySQL. We are going to create a simple table just to understand the basics. If you haven't installed MySQL in your system, then you can check my installation video from the description. And if you are done with the installation, then let's start. So first of all, we are going to open CMD. So open CMD, command prompt. Now here we are going to connect with our MySQL database. So what we have to type is MySQL -u root -p, enter, and here we have to enter the password. This is the same password which you have entered while installation of MySQL. So enter the password and we are connected to MySQL. So here we are going to create a new database for this table. So let's create a database. So our database is created. So now we are going to use this database. So yeah, we are using this database. Now to create a table, we are going to write the following query. So write create table. Now we are going to give this table a name. So whatever you want, I'm going to give this table employee. So this is our table employee. Now parenthesis. Now we are going to define the table content, basically the column names of this table, the fields. Okay, so the first field I want to declare is the employee ID. So I want to give the name EID. Now we have to declare what type of data we are going to store under this column name. So we are going to store integer. So we have to write int. Now if you want to make this column name as a primary key, then you have to write primary key. So now this column is our primary key, which will store an integer value. Okay, so, comma, enter. Now we are going to store, like, let's say name of the employee. So we are going to declare it as name. We are going to store characters in it, so we have to declare it as varchar, and we have to declare how many characters we are willing to store in this. So we have to declare how many characters. So 30 characters. Okay, and then comma, and then another column name, let's say age. This will be integer, so we are going to write int, and that's it. Let's close the parenthesis, semicolon, enter. So our table has been created. Now we can check whether we have created this table or not. So we can write show tables. So yeah, in our database there is a table employee. Let's see what this table contains. So let's describe table, describe employee. So as you can see, these are the fields which we declared: employee ID, name, age, the type of data it's going to store. So employee ID is going to store integer, name characters, varchar, and age integer. So yeah, and you can see that the EID, the employee ID, is actually the primary key which we have declared here. So this is how we can create a table in MySQL. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.